Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a as Flange command is discussed here. Okay guys, today discuss here a Solidworks lecture 3 is discussed here, and Solidworks sheet metal design learn easily and explain all these points deeply and clearly. Okay guys, as Flange point is very important, play role create a new design and use in Solidworks. Okay, as Flange is very important command use in Solidworks. Okay, at first open a Solidworks. Okay, this is our Solidworks interface and this is a Flange point. Flange point is some important point is discussed here. Adds a wall to an edge of a sheet metal parts. Adds a wall to an edge. At first any body is draw here and adds a wall is very important, and click a edge of sheet metals parts and adds one or more than one is walls is created here. Okay, at first click a front plane is select here and draw any simple geometry. Center rectangle is a draw here. Okay, and mention any dimension. Dimension is a this is a 190 is correct, and this is height is a 100 is correct. Okay, 140 is better. Okay, 130 is okay, this is a correct. Okay, this is a simple geometry is draw here and click a base flange, and at first create a sheet and height is in decrease 2 is correct, and click OK, and background is a this and also this is a this is a correct. Okay, and this is a at first drawing. At first click a appearance color and then other is metal and click a brush. Okay, and select a polish brush is select here. Okay, this sheet is looking nice, and okay, this is a perfect, and click a edge flange. Okay, edge flange and click a this, and okay, click any. Okay, edge flange is a adds a wall to an edge of sheet metal parts. Click a edge, and this is a downward and this is a upward. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, some important points is discussed here. Okay, this is a wall is end. This is a edge point is select here, and some this is a this point is outer virtual sharp, and this is a inner virtual sharp, and this is a tangent bend. 3 point is very important, and this is a click here, and this is a this point is outer virtual sharp. This preview is showing here, and this is a inner virtual sharp, and this is a tangent bend. Click here, and this is a tangent. Okay, preview is showing here. Okay, this is a tangent. Okay, this is a tangent. Okay, this is a looking here a body is tangent. Okay, okay, this is a okay, this is a correct looking a. Okay, and this point is a material inside. This is a material is inside, and this is a material is outside. Okay, and this is a bend outside. Okay, and this is a bend from virtual sharp. Okay, and this is a tangent to bend. Okay, this is a perfect, but this is a bend outside is correct. Click here, and all is a perfect 90 degree, and angle is 90 degree, and length is decrease and increase. Okay, this is a perfect okay, this is a okay, this click here. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and edit point is also other as point is select here, and this is a perfect. Okay, this is a click here. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, this point is a okay, click a this point is, and this is, and this is a correct. Okay, and click okay, this is a better. Okay, and this face is select click a normal, and some advanced, some other point is a discuss here, and click a draw a okay, draw a circle to circle. Okay, and line is also click to this point, and okay, again line is this point to this. Okay, and again select a line to this middle to this. Okay, and again this is a this middle to this. Okay, this is a perfect, and exit. Okay, click a vent. Vent is looking so nice, and some extra point is added here, and rib is a this, and a spares is a first, second, third, fourth. Okay, this is a correct, and a spares length is 4 is correct, and this is a 6 is better. Okay, and okay, this is a correct. Super nice looking here, and this body is a looking so nice. Okay, okay, looking so nice. This body is a drag here. Okay, this is a perfect, looking so nice. Okay, okay, this is a perfect body. Okay, so nice. Okay guys, next lecture is coming soon, and I hope you will learn this command is very easily and clearly. Guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Guys, next lecture is coming soon.